up somewhere, perhaps. That would be Stacey Abrams, president of Earth, former governor of the state of Georgia in her mind.
What's so interesting outside the window?
Stacey Abrams has gone away.
Both their tails are wagging.
In 2017, I got asked to lunch by a prominent progressive activist who I know.
Both have the same kind of tail twitch.
Very good at her job. She puts points, and it is a she, puts points on the board for Democrats and has done a very good job organizing progressives in Georgia. And she wanted to go to lunch. She wanted to talk politics. We have a cordial relationship. She and her husband, super people. We just disagree on politics, but fine people.
What's out there, Whiskers?
And when I got to lunch, her motive for asking me to go to lunch was to warn me about the state house leader and she advised me that Abrams was, in her mind, back in 2017, grifting.
Whiskers.
Abrams would sell a bill of goods and had no deliverables. She was taking advantage of donors, bleeding donors dry for her own gain, and it would lead the Democrats to disaster. This was a progressive activist telling me this.